Hi, I'm Carri. Let's go find some adventure. Each holiday season, I cannot wait to zip around Colorado in search of some of the best holiday experiences. And with Everett inching up on 3, this year we had the best season yet. He was old enough to not be freaked out by Santa. Here are 3 of our favorite experiences. Friends have raved about Santa's workshop at the North Pole, which is just west of the town of Manitou Springs. And I had yet to go, so I was especially stoked to check this out with Everett.
Yeah.
Inside, you will find amusement-style rides for kids of all ages. As parents of a toddler, we loved that there were tons of options for him. My favorites, though, were the ones that I could ride with him.
Everett, what are you doing? Driving!
But for TJ, who opted for the roller coaster, that may be debatable.
Do you want to do that again?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it again?
No.
Everett was also able to visit with Santa, and we snapped some great family photos for our Christmas card. The park sits on top of a 14,000 plus foot mountain, which means you will find incredible views that are best captured on the tram.
Over there, down there, there's a choo-choo train.
Or the Ferris wheel.
We're on the highest Ferris wheel in the world. Get it?
The altitude.
The park is more than just amusement rides. Everett was able to feed reindeer, which he got a kick out of.
You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute.
You can also walk around the Christmas Village to see everything from a puppet show to storefronts selling all kinds of toys. With so much to do, we recommend making a day of it, or at least a full morning or afternoon because we get it. Naps call. Another one of our top picks is the Gaylord Rockies Resort, which transforms into a Christmas winter wonderland in December. We walked around the Mistletoe Village to see Nutmeg, who Everett was all about. The hugs weren't just reserved for Nutmeg. Going on a weekday meant less crowds and some quality time with Santa. The main event here, though, is ice, featuring Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. We were geared up and provided coats before heading inside.
It's about 9 degrees in here. Stay as warm as you can. Have fun.
We had fun walking, unless you're Everett, in which case it was running, around to see different scenes from Rudolph carved into ice made from more than 2 million pounds of colorful frozen water. A highlight for Everett was the ice slides.
Take a picture.
After Everett dropped off our coats, and we decorated cookies.
There goes my neck.
Everett wasn't quite ready to go, knowing the big guy was still on duty.
Bye, Santa Claus!
Up next, we're here at the Stanley Marketplace to see Camp Christmas.
The grandiose holiday extravaganza will put the whole family in the festive season. It features mesmerizing displays and decorations from Christmases through the ages that have an added extra touch. My favorite was the sugar disco of the 70s. And the witty tree puns mixed in. Everett was mesmerized almost the entire time, but eventually hit a wall, which is always a good sign that a good time was had by all.